This is test 1.2. First 6 weeks, our test on expressions, equations, square roots, scientific notation. Okay, so I'm going to read the question. I'm going to write the question that I'm going to be on right here. So this is number 1. And then when I'm done, I'll change it to number 2. That way you kind of have an idea of what question number I'm on. Okay, number 1. Isaac won 122 pieces of gum playing hoops at the county fair. At school, he gave 4 to every student in his math class. He only has 2 remaining. How many students are in his class? So to find the variable, write an equation, and have a solution. If you need more room to work at, you can work on the side of the paper. If you need any help with a calculator problem, don't be afraid to ask. Go ahead and work on number 1. Number 2. Kayla was going to sell all of her stamp collection to buy a video game. After selling half of them, she changed her mind. She then bought 4 more. How many did she start with if she now has 26? So define the variable, write an equation, and have a solution. Number 3, Jenny paid $8.54 for a pizza. She now has $16.79. With how much money did she start? Define the variable, write an equation, and have a solution. For numbers 4, 5, 6, and 7, you're going to solve for the variable. So on number 4, k minus 12 equals negative 10. Solve for k. For number 5, 7 times x minus 3 equals negative 9. Solve for x. Number 6, 42 is greater than x minus 25. Solve for x. Number 7, negative 4 times y is greater than 88. Okay, number 8. The model below represents the equation x plus 4 equals 2x minus 6. What value of x makes the equation true? A, negative 2, B, negative 10 over 3, C, 5, or D, 10? Number 9, choose the correct solution to the equation modeled below. A, x equals 4, B, x equals 8 over 3, C, x equals 12 over 7, and D, x equals 1 over 3. Number 10, How is 1.2 times 10 to the negative fourth written in standard decimal notation? F, 12,000, G, 1,200, H, 0.012, or J, 0.00012? Ooh, that's ugly. Number 11. Which expression represents a number that is larger than 8,000 but smaller than 80,000? F, 8.0 times 10 to the fourth. G, 8.0 times 10 to the third power. H, 7.9 times 10 to the fourth power. J, 7.8 times 10 to the second power. And then last, number 12. Which of the following is the best approximation for the square root of 48? F, 19, G, 5.9, H, 6.2, or J, 6.9? Go back, make sure you solved all the questions. If you need help with the calculator again, make sure you ask and we'll help you out with that.